How to connect to Auracast broadcasts on your Android device. This example uses a Samsung smartphone. Other devices can be used as Auracast assistants, but the steps may be slightly different. Step 1. Open your Bluetooth settings. Go to Settings, then Connections, and tap Bluetooth. Next, tap the gear icon next to your Auracast enabled earbuds, headphones, or hearing aids. Here we are using the Galaxy Buds2 Pro. Step 2. Search for Auracast broadcasts. Look for an option like Listen to Auracast broadcast. Your phone will begin scanning for nearby broadcasts. There are 2 broadcasts from Auracast and transmitters. Step 3. Select the channel you want to join. If prompted, enter the password. This will be provided by the venue. Step 4. Start listening. Once connected, audio will stream directly to your earbuds. No pairing required. Auracast makes shared audio simple, seamless, and accessible. Enjoy the sound your way.